चलो जी, let me share my first screen. So how many of you are ready for a project? Like, you can raise your hands. Accordingly, we will proceed. You will need a Chrome browser, Gmail account. That's it. Nothing else. One Google form. Any random Google form you can have. You can raise your hand. Okay. I can see one. Quickly. Two. Three. You can unmute and speak. How many of you are ready for a project? Or I can demonstrate. You can try by your own. What we can do, anyone, any suggestion, anything. Good evening, Ji. Good evening, everyone. Yes, please. I'm waiting for your suggestions. First, we can proceed with the Google Classroom, or we can go for project. If project you want to try along with me, or you want it as a homework, anything, any suggestion. I can see in a chat. Not ready as I don't have a laptop or desktop today, so please upload video. Video will be there, that's not an issue. Chalo, I can see many of you are ready. Done. Those who are not ready, they can try with their own piece. Okay. And submission will be tomorrow evening. So till tomorrow evening, you can practice it and you can submit. So let us start. Okay. For chatbot, what we will do, we will have an. Okay. Any one of you, what is chatbot? What is chatbot? Quickly.
You can type something and it answers,
Done.
or you can speak as well and also it answers.
Done. Let me. Yeah, I will go for, let's say, IRCTC. Can you see one chatbot is here in a corner? What is the purpose of this particular chatbot? The purpose of this chatbot is to collect the data, any kind of data related to ticketing or any kind of information. Correct? Yes or no? What is the difference between this form, and a Google form? Any Google form. What is the difference between this form and Google form? Or which one is better? Yes, please. Let's say you have to fill any Google forms. Any Google form. Okay. I will open any form which I'm having. Just for example, this one. You have to fill this form, and here you are having chatbot. What is the difference between both? No idea? Okay. Which one is more interactive? Normal Google form or a chatbot?
Chatbot.
Chatbots.
Done. Let's say you are conducting any survey for your research. Probability of having more responses will be in Google form or in a chatbot?
Google Form.
In a Google form.
Chatbot, because people would be more attracted towards its better features.
Excellent. So only purpose of having chatbot is this is interactive one, right? You will feel like someone is interacting with you. Correct? Just hold. So our today's task is, can I make my Google form into an interactive chatbot? Can I convert my normal Google form into an interactive chatbot? Okay, this will be our today's task. Done? करें शुरू? Yes or no? Yes or no? So first thing is, I will suggest everyone to open a Google Chrome and search for Google Forms. Okay, open Google Chrome and search for Google Forms. Open any of the form which you are having, any previous Google form. No need to create another one. Done. Open any Google form which you are having. Suppose this one, this form I am having, right? Now what I want more responses for this. So what I will be doing, I will be making this more interactive. The feature which I will enable over here is known as chatbot. Now how to enable it? I will be installing add-on. Anyone, how to install add-on in a forms? Quickly, how to install add-ons? Hello everyone, how are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? Form settings done. Okay, hope it is clear what we are doing today, like what topic we are going to cover. Any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No doubt. What we will do, we will convert our normal Google form into chat. Only purpose is to make it more interactive. Then this is our project. Feel free to share, feel free to interact, feel free to ask your queries. Okay, what we need for this project is one Google form and one add-on. How we can install add-ons? This three dot menu and
Get
get
add-on.
add-ons. Clear. Now, after moving over here, what feature you want to allow? You want to go for chatbot, right? I will search for one add-on, chatbot. You can search for any chat add-on. There are multiple. Okay, let's say I want chat forms. Okay, chat forms. First one, convert form into chatbot. Install it. Come to add-ons. Convert form into chatbot. Okay, install this. Can I share a direct link for this add-on? Do you want a direct link? Yes or no? Let me share it in a
Yes,
Zoom
sir.
chat. Zoom chat, okay? Also, what you can do now, let's say you want to find any of the add-on. You can search for Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome Web Store. Okay. Google Chrome Web Store. All the add-ons are available over here. So which one I want to share? I want to share this one, right? Chat forms. Forms. What is the name of add-on? Just hold this one, chat forms. Not here, here. Extension. It's not here. Not an issue. What I will do now? I will be sharing this link using this chat form. Hold. Let me check whether this website is working or not. Their website is down. That's why we are not having a direct link. Okay, simply come to this add-on option and search for chat forms. You will have this kind of logo. Okay, those who are trying along with me, please let me know if you are able to find. Okay, after installing, close this. Come to add-ons. This one, right? Chat form. Help. What I need to do in this case? It's not working. What I can do in this case? Simply I will refresh chat forms, open, and in a right side I have a dashboard. Sorry, we have an issue. Please try later. Not an issue. Let me refresh once again. I will go for this chat forms, open. If this add-on is not working, what I can do, I can install another add-on, Form to Chatbot. It is already there in my system. Let's say edit chatbot. Now what I can do, I can select the layout of a chatbot. Questions you can update, change chatbot type, what kind of chatbot you want, chatbot dedicated page you want to embed it in a website, right? Hold a second. It's working. Edit this one, website. You want to embed it in a website. You want to have a chatbot page. So I want chatbot page, right? After updating this, what I can do, I can copy the link to the chatbot and share it with my students or maybe the person whom I want to share, right? Here we are having advanced features. You can use it by having this login over here. I will go to share page. I can copy this. If person is pasting this link which I have shared, what they will have? See, the same Google form into chatbot. What is your email address? I will enter my email address and I will go for next. It will feel like someone is chatting with me. Is it clear? Whenever you will submit this, automatically the response will be submitted into your Google form. Is it clear how to create chatbots using this Google form? Any doubt, any one of you? I'm keep on getting this. Sorry, we have an issue. Please try later. I'm doing with another add-on, G. There is a technical issue on that particular add-on side. So what I did, I came back to add-ons, get add-ons. Okay. I have installed the another add-on. The name of add-on is Interact. INTERACT. Okay. Interact. Search for this. Here you will have Forms to Chatbot. Install it. This one. Okay. This add-on you can install. Here we will have an add-on option also. Wait. Okay, this add-on you can install and you will be able to proceed with the features which I am using right now. Is it clear? Anyone, any doubt, anything? Okay, your normal Google form will be converted into a chatbot. Any doubt how to convert a chatbot using a Google form, how to create it? Now, which one is more interactive, the normal Google form or this chatbot one? Quickly. Anyone? Anyone? Which one is more interactive?
Chatbot.
So this chatbot is not coming in a Chrome Web Store directly. You can search it from this forms page only. Directly you will not be able to search. Okay. Any doubt, anything? Any one of you? Feel free to ask. Any doubt? Can we proceed next? Those who are practicing along with me, any issues, anything? Yes, please. Any one of you? How many of you have completed this? Quickly, feel free to share. किसी का नहीं हुआ अभी तक? Okay, can we proceed next? Anyone? Can I repeat once? Yes,
So can you
actually,
please repeat once the whole steps?
what I did, I proceeded with form, moved to here, get add-ons. Then I proceeded with one add-on. The name of add-on is forms to chat. Chat. Search for it. Forms to chat. If you are unable to find, you can search for interact. This last second one. Forms to chatbot. Install it. After installing, come to this menu, forms to chatbot, and you will have your settings. Okay, you will have your settings, forms to chatbot, edit chatbot. Okay, why this is edit chatbot for me, any one of you? Because the chatbot is already created for this Google form. If I'll try with something else, let's say this feedback one, I'll come to this, create a chatbot. I will have option of create a chatbot. Now, while creating, I can select which form of chatbot I want. Let's say I want a chatbot page, right? I can go next. Here I can select the format. Either I want it in a card format or I want something like personal or modern. You can select any. Let's say if I will go for personal, I will go to create. And after creating, it will give you a link. Copy this link, paste it in your browser. You will be able to see this Google form as an interactive chatbot. Is it clear? What is your email? The person will type and they will be able to submit. Any doubt, any one of you?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Anyone else? Quickly, feel free to ask. Chalo, can we move next? or I can wait. No, sir, it's perfectly working. Done, ji, done. Chalo, let us proceed next. This is an assignment for today. I will be sharing a guidelines, okay, soon. How to submit it, what you have to do, okay. So it's kind of what I can say. You will need to put thoda sa efforts for submission of this assignment. I'm sharing my second screen. Please let me know if you can see. I think you are not able to see. Just hold. Yes. Done. So our today's topic is about Google Classroom. Any one of you who can define what is Google Classroom? Anyone? Quickly, what is Google Classroom?
It's an online platform where you can share videos of your lectures. You can share the material that you have with you for that particular lecture, and you can have assignments and quiz done over there. Like we have joined your Google Classroom.
Correct. How I will be defining this in a one line? Simple sober definition of Google Classroom. Any one of you is aware of LMS? LMS?
Learning management systems.
Can I say Google Classroom is a learning management system?
Yes.
Okay, anyone else who is in favor of LMS? Yes, please. Anyone?
Yeah, sir, we can say that it's a learning management system.
Okay. Let us see what we have in a LMS. I will open an image and we will try to explore any website or maybe any image which will have features of LMS. Let's say this one. Okay. So are we able to maintain records in Google Classroom?
Yes.
Performance, yes. Communication, yes. MIS report. MIS, any one of you is aware of MIS? Anyone from a management background? MIS? No? Management Information System. Okay.
We can manage the student related data in the Google Classroom. I think that's why we can say that.
Okay. Apart from this, what else we have in LMS? If you'll see, you will have a result, you will have an admit card, you will have fees tracking, student parent connection, right? You will have a calendar, you will have your resource material, right? Correct. You will have a course status, everything you will have. You will have a data of ERP, you will be having a data of, let's say, library, right? You will have something related to the events, like what we can say, Classroom is initial version of LMS. It's not a full-fledged LMS. Now, why we are using Classroom is just why we are using Google Classroom is just to communicate between the students and teachers and to make your class more organized, correct? To make your class more organized. Now, how to start with a classroom? Simply, what you can do, you can come to this, you can come to here and you will search, okay, how to go with classroom. Quickly, jaldi. How to proceed with Google Classroom, how to open a classroom.
Sir, we need a classroom code. So
Okay,
through a code, we can enter the Google Classroom.
done. How to create a classroom? Simply you can search for classroom.google.com, right? you can come to the official website of a Google Classroom. You can sign into class, right? This is the first dashboard which you will have whenever you will proceed for a Google Classroom. Okay, now the thing is, just hold, let me highlight. Can you see on a top right corner, I have one option of plus. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Plus icon. Okay, if I will click on this plus icon, two options I will have. First is join a class. Second is create a class. So any one of you who can differentiate between both quickly.
So
Creating a
join a
class
class
is for
means, so join a class means कि already कोई class create हुआ और उसमें हमने join करना है with a password. And
Okay.
create a class if I want to create a class, sir.
Okay. So the create a class is for students or teachers?
teachers,
Teachers. And join a class can
For
be
teacher.
for both. For both.
for students as well as teachers who have the code.
Correct. If I am sharing you an invitation as a teacher, okay, not as a student, if I have entered your email address as a teacher, then you will be joining this class as a teacher, instructor, co-instructor, kind of collaborator, okay? So if you will click on this, create a class, you will click on this, you will go to continue, few options you will have. First option is class name. Let's say we will say demo class. Done. Section A, subject is, let's say, mathematics. And room you can define, let's say, what I can say, first and roll number, next and roll number, it's up to you. I will skip this for now. Whenever you will create a class, it will take around 10 seconds. And this is the first dashboard which you will have, right? What you can have here, first thing is your class name, your section name, your class code, your upcoming notifications. And from here you can have more info. If I'll click on this, see, if I will click on this class code and subject, more information. From top, I can customize. Now what I can customize from this customize option, I can change this background. I can change the color combination of my classroom. It is never suggested to upload your own picture in a Google Classroom. It is never suggested to upload your own header image. Okay, always go for predefined templates which is available over here. Any one of you, why I'm not suggesting to upload it in a from your system, like why not to upload any image as a header from your system? Anyone who have tried this? And any difference if you can feel? Okay, just for example, this is a header image right now, right? Okay, and let me upload an image from my system. Let me upload an image from my system. Let's say this one. Okay. Let me save it. Any difference if you can see? Any difference, any one of you? No difference is there? Yes, please. Let me help you a little bit more. Let's say I'm uploading any college image if I'm having, just hold. Let's say this one. I don't know whether it will work or not. Now, can you see any difference? There is shadow behind the text. Yes or no? So whenever you will upload any picture which is of low quality or a light background, it will not look good. So always use the predefined template which is available. It will look more professional as compared to your image. Done? Easy? Yes or no? Just hold. Yes. So this is about how you can customize your header part. Now 4 options I am having: stream, classwork, people and marks. Okay. First thing is classwork. In classwork, what we can do? We can create an assignment, quiz, question, material and reuse post. Hope you remember in a Google form we were having one option which is known as import. What import can do? What import can do?
We can directly fetch the questions.
Correct. Similarly, in a Google Classroom, we have reuse post, right? You can directly import a content from your previous Google Classroom. Done. Coming to the people part. In a people, either you can have a teacher and also you can invite a students over here. Any one of you who is aware of the number of students which I can admit in a single class? Quickly, how many students I can
So
admit?
250 on free version.
Okay. And 1000 for up to 1000 for
Paid version.
G Suite account. In term of Google, it is G Suite. Okay. ठीक है? G Suite, not a paid version. Done. Because this paid version you can have for free if you are an educational institute. Okay. So if you are using a normal Gmail account, right now I'm using normal Gmail account, so I can admit up to 250 participants. Now this 250 will be combination of both. If I'm having 5 teachers in my class, then how many students I can admit?
245.
Okay. Means overall 250 students or teachers you can allow. If you are having 245 teachers, then only 5 students can be there. Clear? Same goes with a paid account. If I am having a limit of 1000, then 5 plus 995, 10 plus 990, something like this. Okay. Means overall 1000 participants can be there. Whatever assignments marks you want to assign for your quizzes, assignment material, not for material, for quiz assignment or a short answer type question, you will be able to do it from here. Coming to the stream part, any one of you who can define stream? Or what we will have in a stream? What is stream? How you can define? We have something in a chat. Yes. Okay. What is stream? Quickly, jaldi. What is stream? We have, it's 6:39. We have to cover in a 20-minute only. Jaldi. What is stream?
Our dashboard.
Kind of, you can say. Anyone else?
Do you put announcements on?
We can put announcements as well. Correct. Someone is saying live data. Okay. Anyone else? Chalo, let me change my question. How many of you have used any social media platform? Any social media platform? You can name them. Instagram. Okay. Facebook. Done. Anyone else? Twitter. In these social media platforms, we have one section known as feed. Feed section. Anyone who can define what is feed section? Feedback. Okay.
Updates.
Updates. Excellent. In feed section, what you will have, the person, let's say if I'll take example of Twitter, whom I am following, my friends, my colleagues, my personal account, my connects. Okay, if they are posting something, everything will come under feed section. In few of the softwares, it is known as home, right? Similarly, in a Google Classroom, doesn't matter you are posting any assignment, announcement, quiz, material, resources, comment, your student is posting something, your teacher is posting something, everything will be reflected into stream section. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Done? Chalo. Let us move next. Let us see what options we are having in a classwork. So in a classwork, you can create an assignment from here. Okay, now assignment is something where you want a written content. Okay. Now what kind of assignments we can have? Let's say, just for example, write an essay on India post independence. Okay. India post independence, India since independence. Okay. Now, here is my title. Here I can have a guidelines. I can type any guideline, right? I can attach a file from a drive, YouTube. I can upload any file. I can attach a link as well for a reference. From here, I can select a classes. Like if I want to assign same assignment in a multiple classes, I can select from here. Okay. And also I can select a students. Let's say 50 students are there in my class. I want to assign this assignment to only 10 students, then I can select students as well. Right now I'm not able to select students. Any one of you, why I'm not having a list of students over here?
Because you've not sent the invitation link and the code to them.
No student is there, right? That's why it's coming like all students. Okay, chalo. Coming to the next part, marks you can assign from here. Due date you can assign. Then it comes about topic. Now, any one of you, how topic will help? What is topic? How topic can help you out? Yes, please. If I'll take an example of book or maybe syllabus of any university or school, any board, your content is divided into multiple things. Okay. Usually in a books, you will have a division on the basis of chapter. Yes or no? Right? Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Maybe you will have a division on a basis of topic. Maybe you will have a division on a basis of, let's say, task. Yes or no? There are multiple ways to segregate your data, to segregate your content, correct? It totally depends on you. So if you want any sort of segregation in your assignments, in your content, so you can use this topic. Just for example, if I'll show you my previous class, okay, see, one topic is AI tool and other useful links. So I have pasted AI related things over here. Session recording, all the recording are under this topic. Add-ons, all the add-ons are under this topic. Resource and material, all the guides are here. Assignments. Is it clear? To segregate my classroom on a base of certain criteria, you can use topic. Yes or no? Any doubt? So let's say I will create a new topic, which is assignment. Easy? Anyone? Any doubt? You can create a topic on a basis of chapter, book, anything, class. Is it clear? Any doubt? This is how you can post an assignment. Let me join this as a student. Let me copy this class code. Here only I will be joining. Any doubt till now, anyone of you? Any doubt? Feel free to ask quickly. I will enter a class code. I will join. The code looks correct, but your account can't access this course, which, okay, the personal account I will need. I can join this classroom using a personal account only. Let's say here I will go for classroom. Sign in. And I will join this class using a code. So I've joined this class as a student. Okay. This one is teacher dashboard. Done. And here I am having student dashboard. What is the difference between teacher and student dashboard? Just see here. Here I am having an option of marks on a teacher side. Here I am not having. Is it clear how you can differentiate between both? Done. Coming to the second part. How student will be uploading an assignment. They can come to this. They can go to create or upload. Okay. Let's say they are uploading any file from their system. Just for example, this one. Okay. And after uploading this assignment, they have to hand in. Here you will have an option of hand in. Only then teacher will be able to see. Turn in. Turn in your assignment. Always turn in your assignment as a student. If you'll come to the teacher part, marks. Here you can see one person have submitted their assignment for this particular one, and I can evaluate. If I'll click on this, I will be able to evaluate. I can assign a marks. Let's say out of 100, I'm scoring, let's say 90. Here I can assign. Okay, like this. Marks you can assign in a right side. Okay, you can also add a comment. Let's say here you can select this much of content. Here you can assign a comment. This spelling is wrong. This spelling is right. You can improve your language. You can improve your grammar like this. Okay. Also, you can add a private comment. Any one of you, what is private comment? This one.
Only to that particular person that comment will go.
Correct. Only the particular student will be able to see. Okay. Now, after evaluating this, after assigning a marks, what teacher have to do? They have to return. Okay. Student have to turn in, teacher have to return. Done. Done, Ji. So let me come back to student part. Now if you can see here, 90 out of 100, they have scored. Private comment is here. Done. Their assignment is here. Any doubt how to evaluate your assignment? How to submit your assignment as a student? Any doubt, any one of you?
No.
Coming to the next part. Let's say for same assignment, you will be having different parameters of evaluation. Yes or no? You will be having different parameters of evaluation. Right. Can you see? I'm having one option known as rubric. Let me create one rubric. Okay. What possible parameters we can have? Any one of you? The question is write an essay on India post independence. What possible parameters I can have for evaluation?
Grammar.
Grammar. Okay, let's say grammar is one criteria. I will give you 1 marks if your level is poor. Okay, plus I will give you 3 marks for fair, and I will give you 5 marks for Excellent. Hope it is clear. I am defining parameters. Under grammar, 3 parameters are there. Done. Let me duplicate this. What else? Any other parameter for evaluation?
Handwriting and presentation.
Handwrite, WRIT. Okay, again 531 handwriting. Okay, I'm again duplicating. Presentation. What else? Any one of you?
Content.
Content. What else?
Length of the essay that has been specified, whether it is followed or not.
Let's say we will give guidelines followed. Okay. Any technical term you can use. For now, I will be using whether the student have followed all the guidelines or not. Okay. Done. Anything else? Quickly.
Timely submission of the assignment.
Submission. You can have thousands of evaluation parameters, right? It's totally up to you. And you can define your criteria. Can you see I'm having 30 marks here, right? In total, I am having 30 marks. If student is scoring 5 out of 5 in all 6 criteria, they will have 30 marks, correct? And my assignment, maximum possible marks in my assignment is
100.
100. So what about rest 70?
These would be converted to 100.
Correct. Automatically, this 30 mark will be converted into 100. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this again. Assignment I'm saving. I will come to the evaluation part. Here it is, right? So usually I have this 90 marks by default, right? If I will refresh this, see what we will have on our evaluation side. Can you see parameters are there? Now I can see grammar is excellent. Handwriting is fair. Presentation is excellent. Right? Content is also good. Guidelines they have followed. Submission also they have followed. Right? So marks is assigned out of 5 and automatically you can see out of 100, 86.67 percent or maybe marks is converted and I can submit. Means I can return it to the student. I can come back to this and here the student will be able to see. Like grammar is excellent, but I need to improve over handwriting. Correct. Guidelines I haven't followed. Done. 86 I have scored out of 100. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any one of you? Any doubt? How to use rubrics? You can also ask a quiz using a Google form or any link. Any kind of short answer type question you want to ask, you can go for this. If you want to share a material, always remember material is for resources only. You will not have a marks deadline option over here. See, nothing is there. Only for resources you can use this material feature. Okay, then comes to reuse post. If you want to add any assignment which is already available in your previous classroom, let's say this one, you can use this reuse post. Done. No need to type it again. Now, topics we have already covered. Any doubt till now? Any one of you? Quickly. Now we will move to the settings part. In Google Classroom, we are having 3 settings. Means 3 type of settings we are having. First setting is under your marks. Can you see this gear button? Right? If you'll click on this under marks section, what you can do from here? So it's not in a marks, it's a normal setting. Just hold. Normal setting, it's not in a marks. Okay, normal setting, which you will have from here. If you'll click on this setting, what you will have settings related to modifying your class name, class code, room, subject and all, invitation code, right? How your classroom will look like, overall marks calculation method. This is the first setting. Okay. Second setting you can have from marks, open any assignment. Here you are having a second setting, right? If you'll click on this, what you can have, three options you are having. Copy all marks to a Google Sheets, download these marks to as a CSV, download all marks as a CSV. Any one of you, difference between all three, anyone? Quickly, difference between all three.
First option will give us a Google sheet like that of an Excel sheet wherein all the details along with the marks will be available.
Online, correct. Second one will be
All students' marks would be downloaded as a CSV. And for this
Awesome.
particular, the third option, you can download specific students' marks.
Specific students marks. Okay, so is this one is specific for student or it is specific for assignment?
Assignment or quiz or whatever that
It is specific for assignment or specifically for student?
assignment.
For students.
Assignment, not for a student. Okay, let me make it more clear. First option is download all marks in a Google Sheets. What all marks means? This is assignment 1. Probability is you will have 5 more assignments. All assignments, all students, everything you want to have in a Excel, then you will go for first option. A Google Sheet will be created for you. Google Sheet is an online form of Excel provided by Google. Same, all assignments, all students, you want to create a list, then you will go for this one. In this case, in case of second one, you will have a list downloaded into your system. CSV stands for comma separated values. CSV stands for comma separated values. Third one is download these marks. The marks of this assignment only. Again, the marks of this assignment only. I'm saying assignment, not a student. Under this assignment, if you have 20 students have submitted this assignment, download these marks, these 20 marks for this assignment using this third option. All assignment will have each and everything. These marks will have specific assignment only. It will include all students, it's not specific to students, it is specific to the name of assignment. Just for demo, if I'll click on a first one, all the assignments we will be having. Right now we have 2 assignments, if I'm correct. Yes or no? Or 1 assignment? Right now we are having 1 assignment. So here you can see list of students, their email address and the marks. Okay, if I will go for these assignment, so only this assignment will be downloaded. Any doubt? Any one of you feel free to ask. Second setting we did. Third setting is where? I will come to home. I can scroll down. Just hold. Can you see in the left bottom corner? I am having one setting part. From this setting, what you can have, you can allow or disallow email notifications. You can enable, disable what kind of notification you want, when you want, okay? Whether you want to receive an email or not. If you want to mute any of the class, like don't send any notification for this class, you can disable it. Okay, this setting, this email notification setting is specific to you only. It's not specific for your students. If you are applying these settings, it will be for you only, not for your students. Okay, it's for an individual person. Is it clear? Any doubt? Last thing, how to delete this class? Quickly, how to delete any of the class? Anyone, please feel free to share how to delete any class. I know how to create, but how to delete? Jaldi jaldi, feel free to share.
There is a 3-dot menu is there. There from there you can do it.
Can I delete it from here?
No.
Correct. Then how to delete? I can archive this. Now what this archive means? What this archive means? This class will be moved to the archive folder. Classes file will be remain there in your Google Drive. Nothing is deleted, but your class will be moved into archived folder. Is it clear? I have moved this class to the archive one. Done. How to access the archived class? Scroll down from left side. Can you see last second option? Archived class. Yes or no? Last second option, left side, left bottom corner, archived class. Right? From here I can open an archived class. Done. Can you see? This one is this classroom we were dealing with, right? Now if I'll click on 3-dot menu again, I have option of delete, restore, copy, move. So if you want to delete your class, first you will need to archive it. Second step is deleting. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Quickly, feel free to ask. No doubts? So let us see what we have covered in today's session. Just a kind of revision. Okay, so first we started with Google Forms. And what was the task which we did today in a Google Forms?
Form to chatbot.
Chatbot.
Forms to chatbot. This is assignment 1. You have to post it before 11:59 p.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow is Feb 4, 2024. Done ji? Easy. For this one, what you need? What is requirement for this form to chatbot? One
Add-on.
Google form, right? And one add-on, any add-on you can select. Done. Do this assignment and submit it in a Google Classroom. Guidelines we will be sharing soon. First thing. Then after we moved for Google Classroom. Okay. In a Google Classroom, we learned about stream. What is stream? Anyone?
Updates in the class.
Updates in the class. Then we have assignment. In assignment, what options we can have? Sorry, this is not assignment. This is classwork, right? In classwork, what we can have? Assignment, quiz, short answer type question, material, reuse post, and topic. Can I evaluate assignments?
Yes.
Quiz?
It will be done automatically if you are having a
Automatically,
Google form.
correct. Questions?
Yes.
Material? No. Done? Chalo. Why to use topic? Why one can use topic in a Google Classroom?
Segregate different announcements.
To
in the-
segregate. Okay. Then we came to people. In people, how many persons I can admit? 250
or 1,000.
Correct. This is combination of both teacher plus student. Chalo. Then we came to marks. Right. For evaluation, student have to turn in, teacher have to return. Okay. So marks can be evaluated in 2 ways. Either directly assign marks, let's say 100, or you can have rubrics, right?
Rubrics.
What rubrics can do? What is
Decide
rubric?
parameters on which the assessment
Done.
has to be done.
Done. 3 settings we are having in a Google Classroom. First setting is about. Let's say email notification. Right. Second setting is about your class, name and all. Third setting is about marks. Right. In a marks, we have 3 options. Download these marks. What is download these marks?
For that
I'm not
particular
sharing my
assignment.
screen, right? अरे ये कैसे हो गया? Hold. I'm not sharing my screen, right? Or it is there?
No, sir, it's not there.
I'm writing everything. Right. See, writing in front of you will help you out to connect with each and every topic. So whenever you feel I'm speaking and I'm not writing, please stop me, interrupt me. Okay. What this download these marks will do? It will
Download the
download
marks of that particular assignment.
All grades means each and every assignment, right? What is the full form of CSV? CSV,
Comma separated values.
comma separated value, and this is a type of Excel file, format of Excel file. Done. Can I delete my class?
Yes.
After archiving.
Correct. First you will need to archive, then you will go for delete. Done. Any doubt, anything, any one of you, feel free to ask. We are open for queries. This is what we have covered in today's session. Any doubt, anything, any one of you, feel free to ask, and feel free to ask. How was the session today?
So how to submit the assignment in the Google Classroom? The link we have to submit.
Yes, ma'am, you have
Creatively.
to submit a link. Okay, not only a link. So for evaluation, we'll need your link. Okay, but I need more efforts from your side. Done. So we'll need to create one report as well. A single report for all 4 assignments. Okay, same report will move throughout this FDP. Let's say first 4 pages are for your first assignment, second is for your second assignment, third assignment, like this. We will evaluate, we will give you a marks for that particular report. That report will be attached to your this one certificate. Okay, so certificate first page is for completion, second page is for your marks, and we will try to embed your assignment or maybe this report from third onward. Okay, so this is kind of experiment we'll try to do. Done.